Next, Lori and I found the little river through the town. Fishes, whatever. No fishies to see right now. I'm gonna follow it. There's a road over here. And you can go upstream to the mountains. I'm gonna follow this around. And hopefully come across some fishies. Got a big fish today at the concentration camp memorial. There was a little creek and there was a giant carp in it. You can see that on my YouTube channel.
We'd advertise you.
I saw something on the riverbank on that opposite side moving. Saw somebody on our way to the Eagle's Nest. There was a fly fisherman, looked like wading in the river. This is too fast. There's a little pool where the bait fish are hanging out, like over there, behind those rocks.
I thought it was here that we saw that fisherman because we had just said, can you go in the water?
Yeah, there was the driver, remember him saying,
Yeah.
talking about fishing and you can get trout. And then there was a fly fisherman, he had the waders on, he was in the river. And then we saw a guy in the bank here when we were on the horse and carriage ride. He said he said it in Celsius, but it was, I think, in my head, it was about 58 degrees, that water. We asked if we could go swimming. So I think he was saying it's too cold. But yesterday it was really hot. It was in the 90s, so there were kids in there. I wish we could climb down there on the rocks. Right there in the slow part. Wow, that water is. And when it rains, you can see there's like a green tint to it. They said the limestone from the mountains washes down into the river. So right after a rain or the snow melt, the river will be really bright green. And it's not algae, it's from the limestone from the Alps. Talking to the carriage, talking about these houses that I don't remember how old these were. I think these were 80s, but some of them were hundreds of years old. But most have been rebuilt. And there's a couple of new ones going up. Some of them they build into they're newer, but they build it with still in the old-fashioned architectural walls. Looks like a good spot right behind that big old rock. All right, here's what's yep. This is where that guy must have been fishing. You want to risk falling on our butts? No, that looks pretty steep. Took a tumble into Eagle's Nest, stepped on the rocks. Are so smooth from all the people walking on them. They were slick. They weren't even wet, and it was very slippery. So of course I stepped on one and flew out from under me. Oh, I want to go down there so badly. I'm gonna risk going on my butt. Vacation's almost over. I can get dirty. Oh. Are you coming, Lori? Oh, you chicken. I'm not gonna be able to get back up. Oh, there's a step here. Come on, boy, jump. I'll catch you. You just gotta make it to here. Oh, okay. Let's see if it's really 58 degrees. Oh, it's pretty cold. And it's only, I think, 74 right now outside, the air temperature. And it still feels extremely cold, so it probably is in the 50s. I'm just gonna walk over here. There's a big old rock I want to sit on. See if there's fish on the other side of this rock. Maybe too shallow. It's feeding time too. They'll be over there under the brush. They got under the trees down there. I don't see any nests. There's a spot over there. Looks like it could be a good place for a nest. Oh well. I tried. Bring my waders next time. Bye.